Hi, so today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add multiple types of flashcards. As you can see here, there are multiple types of flashcards that you can use if you want to learn any subject. And subscribe to my channel if you really want to learn the digital era, new technologies, apps and websites that are free to use, and you just need to learn them simply how to use them so that you can take advantage of them in your study life, professional life, anything. Let's go ahead with choosing the note types or choosing the flashcard types. As you can see here, there is number one, that's the basic one. Basic one is like the simple one. Let me show you. For example, I write here what is cyclone. So I write here hurricane, right? What is cyclone in geography? Okay, it's a hurricane, right? So you'll show a front and back side with a simple way of adding the flashcards. Now that flashcard has been added. Another one is the basic and reverse card. When clicking on that, you will see a front and a back side with that being reversed. What is the Anki software? Now it's a flashcard software, right? So in this way you will see that it has generated a front and a back side with a reversed card. By clicking on add, you have added this also. Another one is the back, which is basic optional reverse card. Now if you want to add reverse, and that's optional for you, if you want to add that more information, you can also add that. What is Anki? Now I'll show you that that's a flashcard generating. So I'll write here software, right? That's an additional information that I wanted the person to learn. So I'll add that. I'm just showing you the examples. You can add your information, your subject knowledge and everything that you have in your mind. Basic, type in the answer. Now in this way you have to type in the answer, that's a kind of a fill in the blanks. I'll show you what is that. What is computer, right? So I'm going to add what is computer. Now it's a machine, right? So you have to add that. Now type in the answer in your flashcard. Another one is the close. Now close is basically a little bit complex to me. For example, I'll put that C1. C1 means that this text has been closed, or you can say it has been disappeared, hidden from you. You can write here, for example, I'll write here computer, right? Now I'll write here is a machine, right? So it will add that. If you want to add extra knowledge or extra, you can add that, but that's enough. Another one is the image occlusion. Image occlusion means that you have to add an image, just hide all of the text which is written over there on the image. Example, you have a map and you want to hide the images or the written text on the map related to the countries or cities. Then you have to hide that in your first image, and then in your second image you will see those text after recalling that with the help of flashcards. Otherwise, if you go in the basic text also, basic flashcard making process, you will see what is media. You will see that you have the right to bold it, italic it, underline, superscript, subscript. You can change the color also. Example, I'm changing it to another color, like I'm changing it to pink color. Then changing the text highlight color also. Then I'm removing the formatting, like anything that I have done, I want to remove it, right? Then I can also add bulleted text, bullet points 1, 2, 3. If I want to add image like this, I can also add. As you can see here, this is the different way of adding images. In the back side also you can add. Another very important part is that you can record. So for example, I'm speaking. What is a computer? It will save that, and in the back side you'll enter. Computer is a machine that helps for computational, arithmetic and logical calculations. Now I'm going to save that. So any front and back side information that you want to add in the form of audio, you can also add it. By adding that, you have generated multiple different formats of flashcards. Let's see them one by one. By clicking on your science subject, you will study now. Number 1 is basically what is cyclone, that's showing the answer. Number 2 is basically now the reversed card. You will see hard is there. Now you will see it is also showing because that's the basic one. What is typhoon? It is also showing that's the basic one. What's the first person to go to the space? That's the basic one. As you can see here, by clicking on that. In this yes, now that's an audio. After clicking on that, you will hear that audio. That's good. Now that's a cloze. That's a cloze. Cloze, that is cyclone, is a hurricane. Yes. That's in geography, basic, Anki software. It's a flashcard. What is Anki? By clicking on show answer, you will get the answers. By clicking on computer, it's a machine. By clicking on cloze, you will get that. In this way, you can add different types of flashcards. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. We will meet you in the next video for more such content. Thanks for watching.